Welcome to the dazzling city of Dubai, where innovation meets luxury in the heart of the Arabian desert. In this 5-minute journey, we'll delve deeper into the captivating history of Dubai. Show you how to get here, explore the must-visit attractions, and dive into the vibrant traditions that make this city so unique. So, let's embark on this unforgettable adventure. Dubai's history is as intriguing as its skyline is impressive. Once a humble fishing village, this cosmopolitan city has transformed into a global metropolis while retaining its deep-rooted heritage. Dubai's strategic location as a trading hub attracted merchants from around the world, fostering a rich cultural exchange that still permeates the city today. The Fahidi Historic District, with its traditional wind towers and narrow streets, offers a glimpse into Dubai's past and showcases the Emirati heritage that forms its foundation. Getting to Dubai is a breeze, thanks to its modern and well-connected international airport. Major airlines offer direct flights from numerous cities worldwide, making it easily accessible to travelers from all corners of the globe. Once you arrive, Dubai's efficient public transportation system, including the Dubai Metro and taxis, will whisk you away to your desired destinations. Now, let's explore the incredible attractions that make Dubai a world-class destination. No visit to Dubai is complete without marveling at the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Ascend to the observation deck for breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline and beyond. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise that offers everything from high-end fashion to thrilling indoor entertainment experiences. For a taste of Dubai's traditional culture, a visit to the historic Dubai Creek is a must. Step aboard an 𝗣𝗲𝗀, a traditional wooden boat, and sail along the waterway, admiring the contrast between the old and new parts of the city. Lose yourself in the bustling souks, such as the Gold Souk and the Spice Souk, where you can experience the vibrant colors, intoxicating scents, and flavors of Dubai's trading past. Dubai's rich traditions are still celebrated with great enthusiasm, offering visitors a chance to partake in the city's vibrant cultural scene. Witness the spirit of hospitality and togetherness during Ramadan, the holy month for Muslims. Join locals for iftar, the breaking of the fast at sunset, and experience the traditional music, dance, and feasts that accompany this special time. Throughout the year, Dubai hosts a range of events, including the Dubai Shopping Festival and the Dubai Food Festival, where you can indulge in the city's vibrant culture and sample international cuisines. Beyond the city's modern marvels and cultural experiences, Dubai's desert offers a world of adventure. Embark on a desert safari and experience the thrill of dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle. Ride a camel across the golden sands, try your hand at sandboarding, and enjoy a mesmerizing sunset over the desert landscape. For a truly unique experience, spend a night under the stars in a traditional Bedouin camp, where you can savor Arabian cuisine, witness traditional performances, and learn about the Bedouin way of life. As our journey through Dubai comes to an end, we hope this extended glimpse into the rich history, modern wonders, and colorful traditions of this captivating city has ignited your desire to explore further. Dubai offers a unique blend of ancient heritage and futuristic marvels, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in a city where traditions thrive alongside innovation. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure in the city of dreams. Hit that subscribe button and let us know the next destination you want to see in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, travel as you wish.